What is my purpose?
What's up? So this video kind of sucks because like this 9-volt battery charger thing didn't even really work. The reason it didn't work is because like this is a 9-volt battery, but like usually the battery that's in a phone is like 5 volts, I think. So yeah, I had some issues. It says overcharged voltage. Anyway, I tried to like attach this thing. It's like a variable, I don't know, but like pretty much what it does is it like takes the 9 volt and like turns it into 5 volts so that it can charge a phone. But I think I got the wrong one and it like kind of messed up the phone a little bit.
What is my purpose?
So I saw some like other people who did it, but like it actually worked. So like I'll link their videos below. Yeah, I don't really know why I made this video. Just I kind of already edited it. So yeah. Thanks for watching.